Kasi I was born in Leyte. So day 2, sinabi ko kay Bong, because the communications were cut, sabi ko kay Bong, gamitin mo ang army. Mayroon talaga yun silang a way of communicating. Pasa-pasa lang ang relay. But nung nalaman ko na, about, nung nag-usap kami ng mga sundalo, sabi ko, kumusta? Andyan, sabi niya, sir, bagsak yung Leyte. Tapos, sinabi ko, anong klaseng bagsak? Sabi niya, sir, tumba lahat. Hindi ko naintindihan, sabi ko, tumba ang lahat bahay. Sir, pati kahoy. Ilan ang patay? Sabi niya, sir, mukhang mga aabot ito ng 10,000 estimate namin. Hindi nga makapaniwala. So that following, that evening, I mobilized the 911 of Davao City. Nag-assemble ako ng 10 doctors and nurses. And pinuno ko ng antibiotics, tetanus, all of the things that would be needed really of a victim in a calamity. They traveled, so nag-helicopter ako. But at yung sa Tacloban Bay, wala akong nakita isang rubber boat ng Navy. So, sabi ko sana, by this time mayroon na yan. At least the fast craft, mga frigate ng, if there is one, nandiyan na yung tanker. Alam mo bakit? What really surprised me? Bewildered me. Kasi nung pagbaba ko, hawak-hawak kong yung plastic na bottle. So, sinalubong ako ng sundalo, sabi niya, Mayor, may tubig pa kayo. Alam ko na problema na. Kasi ano niyan, pagkain pati tubig. Yung pagkain na hindi na nga niluluto. Yung diretso na from the can, masardinas ka o carne norte ka. And to think that about Ormoc was just a few kilometers. Hindi naman few, but almost like 80. And Maasin was doing all right. Bakit walang tulong dito? And after 2 days, nagpalit ako ng personnel. Sabi ko, they can only endure it 2 days. Ang baho eh. Pati walang tubig. So I was expecting that there was I'm not trying to condemn anybody. But nung tumawag ako there was a changing of personnel sa 911 sa Davao City. Nagpadala ko ng mabago para pauwiin yung initial batch. Sabi ko, may tanker na ba dyan? Sabi, wala. Bakit saan yung mga tanker na Cebu? Marami kang makuha. Well, anyway, I'm not condemning anybody. But sa General Halad lang, sir, you might want to take that into factor when you. Kasi dapat nakaposition yan sa nearest. Not really so near to be hit also, but by the typhoon or cyclone, if you may. Yun ang niya. So, the resources must be on deck, positioned nearby. If you can draw the path of the typhoon and deploy the assets of government. Basta dyan, tubig na malinis, pati pagkain na walang cooking dyan. It's yung magpadala ka ng sakong bigas ganon on the first 1 week, it's useless. Ayan yan, si June, no? Yung earthquake niya sa Bohol, wala talagang kwenta. Wala silang lutuan, walang firewood, wala lahat. Puro talagang pag-instant yan. Noodles, well, it is not nutritious really, it's pure carbohydrates, but wala mga protein yan. But still, it can fill the stomach for the day. Yun ang ko lang, sir. We have a disaster maybe coming our way. Hopefully not, but this planet is being, I don't know, punished by God. So every now and then, but everywhere, climate change is here. We were warned so many years ago, about 7, that ngayon, dumating na talaga. Even the United States is suffering heat wave on the western side, and on the east, dito sa I can understand why the foreign secretary came home to escape the rigors of. So I'm through. Ano sir, salamat.
Yes, sir. We will learn from that experience. We should learn from that experience, sir.